Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm reviewing this year's Thanksgiving blend, which every year is one of my favorite releases from Starbucks along with Cassis Yellow. This is a limited release, although not as limited as their reserve coffees. The window for Thanksgiving is smaller, so Starbucks doesn't make as many bags compared to Christmas blend, which is their main winter season offering. I had to go to 2 different Starbucks to find it, but I'm sure there's still some out there, but they're slowly selling out for the season. Thanksgiving blend is a 3-way blend of coffee from Sumatra, Sidama, Ethiopia, and the Antigua region of Guatemala. The tasty notes on this blend is candied pecan, sage, and dried fig. My experience gave a warm, hearty coffee with lots of earthy and spicy notes coming through, probably from the Sumatra, and definitely that candied pecan on the finish. It's been cold and rainy out, so I prepared it as a regular drip, but this coffee also does really well as espresso, allowing for the earthy Sumatra beans to open up. So I don't know if it's just me or my palate, but for whatever reason on this year's batch, the Sumatra is dominating the blend. I feel like in years past that wasn't the case, but who knows, it could all just be in my head. So after making this coffee as both espresso and drip, I'm giving this a 7.5 out of 10. It's definitely fallen a point or two from what my memory serves. Still a great blend I would recommend, and always consider that my taste and experience may differ from yours. So if you could still find this out there, go ahead and give it a try, because once they're gone, you'll have to wait till next year to try it. Also, Starbucks may be serving this during the morning hours only, so you can always go in and ask to see if there are any ready. Alright, I am thankful for you guys watching. If you enjoy all things coffee, please like and subscribe to the channel, and cheers!